I'm Creativecrambo, back with another one.
Yeah, just going to get this rubble out the way there, give myself a little bit of room to work with. Bit better. Yeah, so before I concrete this in, there's a couple more things I've got to do, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of this in alongside the edges. It's a movement joint filler, and obviously I've got to cut that down. That's 100mm, and I think that Screed's about 65mm, so cut that down to suit. There is one thing on there as well what you've got to remember is putting this in the right way around. That peels off, and so you can mastic. That's about 10mm joint there for masticking. So I've got to get that in, and also I'll probably put some mesh in this as well, just to like strengthen it up a little bit. So, and then I can concrete that in. So I'm going to cut that down, get that stuck on there, ready for the concrete. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how to put this movement joint fill on now, or how I do it. And the stuff I'm using, it's called Stick Slag Shit All Weather Adhesive, and that's exactly what it does. So what I do is get some on there, right along that edge. Make sure that you've sort of cleaned that off nice, so there's no dust on there. And then work your way along. You don't need too much of this stuff. It is really good. You can even use this on wet surfaces as well. That's ideal for this job anyway. Put your adhesive on. Remembering to put the bit that you take out to the top, and I'll just work my way along the edge of that screed. Just keep that top level with your screed there coming through, and then like I said, when you've done your concrete and it's all gone up, you take that bit out and mastic that up. Putting this in just stops the concrete from cracking out there on the edge. And that adhesive really does stick like shit, but it's great gear to use. No messing about there. Keep it level all the way through. Just like that. Yeah, so I'm going to work my way around there, also do that edge there. Then all that leaves me now to do is put some reinforcement in there, then that'll be ready for concreting. Yeah, so we're moving on with this concrete repair now. This one's quite an easy one. Your idea is to get your stones down, give it a bit of a drag off if you need to. Just using my level there, it's a nice and straight edge. Ideal for this job. All I've got to do is just give that a nice clean off after. Get your stones down, a little bit of a drag off, work your edge, work that edge. You can't go wrong with that. On a small area like this, what I like to do as well is just put enough in there that I can work with, just so it don't go all over your boots. Just work a little small area. Just get your eye in, get that somewhere near, then your tamp there will do the rest of the job. Yeah, so that's getting there. Got a little bit here to do to finish. And then what I'll do when this has gone off a little bit, I'll just use the easy float there. Come through a few times. Keep an eye on it. And that's a good job done. That's how you do your concrete repair. Nice and easy. I've got a movement joint either side. And all that just gets masticed at the end when it's all dry back. Yeah, lovely job. Yeah, so I'm ready to float this off now, and what I've got here is an easy float, and the way to use these are when you're pushing the float forward, you need to be going clockwise and lift the blade up a little bit. So I turn like that, that's going to go up, and if I turn it the other way, that's going to go down. So pushing forward needs to be up a little bit at the front there. Give that a float off, and then on the way back, give it a turn, and then come back. So really easy to use these. It's just on a pole there. Then we got extension pieces going in that. It's really easy to put together. You can cover quite an area with these things. So like I said, a little bit up with your blade, and then start giving that a float off. Nice and steady. Once you get to the end, give it a turn anti-clockwise, then come back on yourself, That's the easiest way to do it. Just give that one more go. It's already looking pretty good. Just makes your life a little bit easier. And the finish is really, really good. Yeah, as you can see, great results. I mean, that's only had 2 goings over. Might go over that a couple more times. But that's a really good job. Use the easy float if you can. Also remember, most important job is to wash the tools. Level took a bit of a battering there, but we'll get that cleaned up. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Turn on them notifications. And I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, that's a good job.